on The View. You won't believe the results of the latest and greatest ways to have a movie star smile on today's Star Treatment.
There is nothing sexier than a fabulous smile. And on today's Star Treatment, thanks to the extraordinary advances in the field of cosmetic dentistry, shut up, Joy. Three lucky women from our audience have a lot to smile about. Please welcome New York City cosmetic dentist, Dr. Marc Lowenberg. Dr. Marc, welcome.
Hi there.
To you.
Thank you for having me.
What's the new hot popular thing in cosmetic dentistry?
Well, you know, that's a great question, Star, because today everybody wants beautiful teeth.
Yes.
Everywhere we look, magazine covers, movies, talk show hosts, everyone has great smiles. But you don't have to be a celebrity today to have a great smile. All you need is to do cosmetic dentistry, and we can transform your smile into a killer smile. And I'm going to show you, ladies, today 3 techniques that we use to do that. We're going to talk about bonding, we're going to talk about veneering, and we're going to talk about bleaching.
Okay.
And you're going to see the amazing results.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. Watch. It's amazing. Okay, now, let's get started. We picked 3 women from our studio audience, and we'll start with the first one. Her name is Joni. This is a before picture of Joni. Joni had severe dark stains on her teeth because she drinks a lot of coffee, tea, and red wine, and she occasionally likes to smoke. And that's Joni before. Now, let's look at what Joni looks like now.
Now, excuse me, is this not amazing? Come on.
What did you do to get that, doctor? What did you get there?
Joni actually had a procedure called laser bleaching, which is different than at-home bleaching. We were able to transform her smile with lasers.
Well, show us what the procedure looks like a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. Well, the first thing we do is we clean off the teeth the way you would go to a dentist and have your teeth cleaned. But when you're bleaching, you have to protect the gums and the lips. So we put this contraption in Joni's mouth. Then we paint gel on each tooth, and it's shot with a laser light for 6 different times. You see the blue stuff on the gums? Yeah. That protects the gum tissue. An hour and a half later, voila, she looks like this.
Wow.
An hour and a half?
Now, why would you go to that other procedure where you would stay home and put that thing in your mouth for days?
Well, there are 2 different procedures. Some people want to get it over with an hour and a half, and some people would rather sleep with it.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
And this is a little more expensive.
All right, let's
also.
see the before and after. Do we see it?
No,
Let's see that again.
Smile, Joni.
Is that incredible? I mean, look at that. I knocked 5 years off of her life.
That looks
How do you feel about it, Johnny?
I feel great.
Did you expect your teeth to be this white?
I never expected it. I tried every home remedy and nothing worked. And now, thanks to Marc, I love my teeth and I love my smile.
That's
I'm
nice.
so happy.
Isn't that nice?
Great.
You're making these women happy.
That's good. Was it painful? Because pain bothers me.
Not the least bit.
Not in the least bit. Thank you,
No.
Joni. That's
Thank you.
wonderful.
You should also avoid that red wine and that thing.
And that tobacco and stuff,
Tobacco
right?
and coffee, yeah.
Okay, we have another picture. This is a picture of Eve. And Eve has not been to the dentist in 11 years. Lord have mercy.
Why not?
She was so insecure about the decay of her teeth that she constantly covered up her smile. Oh, Lord.
So what did you do to her teeth?
But wait a minute.
Wait,
Don't
why
you
you see what she looks like?
Yeah.
Look at Eve now.
All right.
Wow.
Come on.
Absolutely.
Is this girl beautiful or what?
That's amazing.
Amazing. See, I told you they were
That
amazing.
is amazing.
That's bonding, right?
This is bonding.
Are you still scared to go to the dentist? I want to know.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
You love it now.
No, well,
Yes.
this is a procedure that makes you want to go to the dentist.
Yeah.
This is bonding, where I actually put composite plastic on top of the teeth.
Let's do the process. I want to see
to change the shape of them.
as you talk about it. Go ahead.
Okay, so in Eve's case, we had to remove the decay from her teeth first. You're all familiar with that, I'm sure. Then we etch the teeth with phosphoric acid. That's the blue gel that goes on the teeth. We wash that off, and then I actually sculpted composite plastic on top of her teeth. You see me shaping the new teeth on top of her old teeth. And then that material, after I'm done shaping it, that material is then hardened with an ultra white light that actually looks blue.
Wow.
How long does that take?
Yeah.
Well, in Eve's case, I transformed her smile in about 2.5 hours.
Now, so if you have, can you use if you have a space between your teeth?
You could do bonding whether you have spaces, whether you have crooked teeth, whether you have decayed teeth. You could do it for just about anything.
But wouldn't you have like one big tooth? Looks like if you bond like between where there's a space.
Not when you're good at it, you wouldn't.
Doctor, you devil. How do you feel, darling?
amazing. You have not stopped smiling. You really have not stopped
Her
smiling.
mouth hurts from smiling so much.
So now, is there anything that she needs to avoid?
She just has to be a good girl and go to the dentist every 6 months.
Let's look at it before and after. Excellent.
Look at that.
That's amazing.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
All righty
Okay,
then.
let's go.
And then
Okay.
finally, all right, this is Vonda right here. Now, Vonda, back in the day, went for the big gold teeth in the front. Okay? Oh,
Are
girl.
those days over?
Thank you, Lord. Okay. And she decided she wanted to give a more professional, stylish look to that mouth. Am I right, Vonda? Let's go to the after of Vonda.
All right, look at that.
Absolutely.
Come on.
Looks great.
Now, Vonda's going to become a model. I'm going to give up dentistry and be her agent.
Oh,
And
I
we're-
say, you're a kibitzer, aren't
Look
you,
at
doctor?
that. Tell us.
What makes you think that?
This is Veneers, am I right?
These are veneers.
Okay.
This is the Rolls Royce of cosmetic dentistry. And let me show you the procedure, actually. It's
Okay.
easier showing to you.
Yeah.
The first thing we do is I get together with my ceramist, Jason Kim, and we redesigned Vonda's smile. Together we picked out the shape and the color of her teeth.
And we take those gold
Then
ones away.
then we take this impression first, so we can line up her smile with her eyes. That's what that contraption is there. It lines up her smile line with her eyes. Then I removed the gold. I prepared the teeth. I gave it to Jason Kim to make the veneers. And while they were being made, Vonda wore these temporary veneers. A week later, when Jason was done with them, I got the veneers back, and we bonded or glued them directly on top of her teeth.
That's
And
incredible.
there you got it.
How long will they last?
Well, here too. If she's good and she goes to the dentist regularly, they'll last 10 to 15 years. And she will look this gorgeous the whole
And
time.
who keeps the gold?
I mailed it to you. You'll be getting it next week.
Oh, gosh, Mark, you are the bomb. How did you love your teeth?
I love them. Before I refused to smile, my self-esteem was very low. But thanks to Dr. Lowenberg, I don't have to worry about that anymore.
Sounds like a paid commercial. Did you pay her?
Let's see a picture. Let's see the before and after. There you go, girl.
Great job.
You look stunning.
Great.
Absolutely stunning. Mark, you are the man. You know
Thank
that.
you very much.
Thanks to Dr. Marc Lowenberg. For more
Thank you.
information, check out our website. When we come back, the wait is over.